Hi everyone, welcome back to Ingel-Art. I'm Gretchel. Thank you for joining me here today. Okay, so a couple of days ago I was doing this pour, filming for you all to see. Well, I later on noticed that my camera stopped filming before I even started. Okay, so I actually thought I had a whole video ready for you, but I don't. I do want to show you the pour, and I want to try to recreate something similar. Not a copy, but something that looks like, okay? But let me show you the pour. Let me see how I like her best. I don't know why I like her like this best. But these colors, you guys, is so pretty. It's burnt umber, gold, titanium white mixed with pearl white. So it's like a 50%. The milkiness of the titanium white and the transparency of the pearl white. Love that combination. Black. And I had used Okinawa, I think it's green, right? Yeah, Okinawa green from eyecandypigments. But the eyecandypigments that I used are very transparent. So that Okinawa green didn't really show up. It's there if you look closely. Here as well, I can see it. But gosh, I loved the playfulness of it. I love the colors. Only thing I wish that Okinawa green would have shown a little more. So I'm using actually the same colors, except the Okinawa green I've also mixed with a 50%, almost the same shade of Amsterdam. So it has a little more milky feel to it. I'm going to keep that camera in my vision all the time to see that she doesn't stop. And let's just go for it, okay? So it's black, burnt umber, white, pearl white, 50%, titanium white, gold, and Okinawa green from eyecandypigments. Okay, let's see. White. Gold. Teal. Burnt umber. Black. Are we ready? Straight pouring, ring pouring. Let's just see what we like about this one. Okay. So, look at how gorgeous. I wish I could explain why I love this so much. Coffee. It reminds me of a good coffee. No. Okay, so just randomly pleating this one out. I don't have like a, how can I say that? It's not that I want to pleat exactly to be perfect, okay? If that's, I can look at the colors, you guys. Yeah, just pleats, nothing perfect. I'm already in love with this. Okay. I want to show you how much paint there still is in this thing, in this dustpan. Just to show you the amount of paint that's still in the dustpan when it, so next time I am gonna use this to like reach my corners and my sides, okay? You can imagine this is a waste of paint if I would have just left it there to dry. Same color combo, same way of pouring, same everything. Only now I have a dirty dustpan, but that's okay. Let's go. This is gonna reach. Don't we think of cappuccino whenever we look at it like this? Let's bring those waves back up. All right. Okay. Look at that. Oh, let me not do that. So, same colors, same way of stacking. Just smaller amounts. Okay, so let's go. White. I want to show you the ribbons, but I'm gonna have to cover this brown spot. Okay, so, okay, same thing. Straight pouring in. Oh. And stopping on time. Okay, oh, don't you dare. Let's cover this brown stuff first, all right? Okay, that's better. That's gonna run off. Okay. Okay, yeah. So that's one. Woohoo. Now let's create some ribbons. Let me see. Isn't this just pretty? It reminds me of wood, you guys. I just love this so much. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's take it slowly, this one. Okay. Same thing. Same colors. Last time. I want a broader line. This is pretty thin. So let's go for the broader one, alright? Gold. Teal. Brown and black. Okay, let's go. That's it. And I think I have paint on my nose. Okay. That's enough. All right. Well, oh my goodness, love this one. Whew. Just a little bit of paint because there's too much paint left on the canvas if I leave that all. So let's just take some off on that side. Not too much because I'm loving the lines. Okay. I think that's going to be it for today, guys. Love the dimension this one gives me again. And I'm loving, I think I'm going to be able to see more of that blue. Have a lot of cleaning up to do, starting with myself. Anyway, what do we think? This one is pretty busy with the amount of ribbons, but it gives so much depth, guys. I love that so much. The one I did first, the ribbon that was so small, or actually not small, but the ribbon that was so thin, like this first one here, there was hardly any paint left over in that dustpan. So by having less paint, it's all gonna go to a smaller line. If you put a lot of your paint in your dustpan, you're gonna get a broader line. So that's something you can play with. First, let me take you in for the close-up, okay? Don't you just love those drips on the table? I am in love with the drips as well. They have some real cool stuff happening on the table, right? I hope to meet you here again next week. Greetings and love from the Netherlands.